cystic fibrosis, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, aspiration pneumonia, right apical involvement, empyema in children less than 2 years, staphylococci, thumb sign on X-ray, epiglottitis, epiglottitis in children, H. influenza type B, hydrocephalus, dandy walker cyst, Whipple triad, insulinoma, Kerr sign, splenic rupture, thoracic outlet syndrome, positive Addison's test, DVT common after total hip replacement, recurrent UTI cause, vascular reflex, dense disease, hypercalciuria, nephrocalcinosis, nephrolithiasis, neonatal seizure drug of choice, phenobarbital, medulloblastoma presentation, midline cerebellar swelling, Wilson's disease ocular investigation, Kaiser-Fleischer's ring, sunflower cataract, chest X-ray in VSD, pulmonary plethora, increased pulmonary vasculature, functional closure of ductus arteriosus within 15 hours after birth, caution of aorta, figure of 3 or double bulge sign, UTO, unit obstruction investigation, voiding cystourethrogram, hemolytic uremic syndrome, lab findings, fragmented RBCs, helmet cells, burst cells. Fragmented RBCs are also called cystocytes. Phenytoin adverse effect, osteomalacia, absent seizure, myoclonic seizure, drug of choice, valproate, multiple sclerosis treatment, natalizumab, drug-induced Parkinsonism, treatment of choice, benzhexol, neuroleptic malignant syndrome treatment, dantrolene, nifedipine, bromocriptine, cardiac catheter, critical equipment, selenite F broth, enrichment media, Salmonella shigella, nutrient broth, basal media, clade media, growth increase, Staph aureus, Candida, virus mediated DNA transfer, one cell to another, transduction, progressive visual field compression cause, Vigabatrin, erythrodermic psoriasis, treatment of choice, methotrexate, drug causing edema and anacid, estrogen, cyclosporine, amiodarone therapy, toxicity, pulmonary fibrosis, cirrhosis of liver, corneal microdeposits, trimetazine used, treatment of angina, plasma sterilization accuracy, Bacillus stereothermophilus, glutaraldehyde, sporocidal, hypochlorites, virucidal, microaerophilic, Campylobacter, irradiation sterilize, bone graft, suture, artificial tissue graft, spider leg deformity of kidney on IVU, CA kidney, gastric outlet obstruction, mosaic appearance, barium meal follow through, recurrent appendicitis, multiple fluid filling defect, feculith, bearing swallow, CA esophagus, dilated proximal esophagus, T-tube cholangiogram, radiolucent filling defect at lower end of bile duct, residual stone in bile duct following choledochoritomy, cetoconazole, antifungal and antipruritic action, counter traction brace use, tennis elbow, rare sign, diabetic ketoarthropathy, COVID-19 antiviral used, remdesivir, relaxed muscle of air passages, epiphyllin, UTI common stone, phosphate stone, horseshoe kidney, lower calyx reverse and ureteral obstruction common, Stuvite staghorn calculi, alkaline urine, non-traumatic hemoperitoneum, hepatic adenoma, retrocecal appendicitis, extension movement aggravates pain, cryoprecipitate cause source of fibrinogen factor 8, VWF, massive blood transfusion, hyperkalemia, hypothermia, citrate toxicity, bleeding in DIC, low serum fibrinogen level, Viscott-Eldrich syndrome, thrombocytopenia, best prognostic Hodgkin lymphoma, lymphocyte predominant, multiple myeloma, marrow plasmacytosis more than 10%, non-Hodgkin lymphoma common, diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, lymphohistiocytic Hodgkin lymphoma, popcorn cell variant, lab leukocyte alkaline phosphatase score, increase in PRV, decrease in CML, hairy cell leukemia treatment, purine analog therapy, cladribine and pentostatin, after renal transplant, complex malignancy, skin cancer, acute pyelonephritis, specific urinary finding, nitrite test, renal malignancy, ideal approach, transperitoneal, thoracotomy indication, hemothorax more than 1500 ml found when ICT placed, hourly ICT collection 200 to 300 ml, tension pneumothorax management, thoracocentesis, second ICS in mid-clavicle line followed by ICT placement, H-type tracheoesophageal fistula diagnosis, tracheobronchoscopy, Mallory Weiss tear, left gastric artery bleed, liver abscess cause E. coli, CA penis cause of death femoral blood vessel erosion, Peyronie's disease, painful erection and Dupuytren's contracture, RCC most common histological variant, clear cell type, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, extrarenal involvement, hepatic cyst, lower ureteric stone treatment, endoscopic, ureteroscopic removal, stone resistant to lithotripsy, cystine stone, extracorporeal shortwave lithotripsy, not appropriate if complete obstruction, antiperistalsis seen, distal colon, lipoma in intestine, ileum, perforation of distal ileum, typhoid, ulcerative colitis with acute perforation, total colectomy with ileostomy, FAP involving sigmoid colon treatment, total proctocolectomy with IPAA, CS stomach early diagnosis, staining with endoscopic biopsy, recurrent GIST diagnosis gold standard, PET CT, most common complication of gastrectomy, iron deficiency anemia, chronic duodenal ulcer surgery, highly selective vagotomy, gastric outlet obstruction, OPD fluid management, normal saline with potassium, disclosure of name of rape victim punishable, 228A IPC, benzene test detect blood, attempt to murder 307 IPC, Yonson sexual urge to death like opposite sex, CSS sample preserve OPC poisoning, tired sign in anal abuse, burglary, anal intercourse between men and women, masochism, sexual pleasure by pain, species identification, precipitin test, section 377, sodomy,